Hey, I need help! I've been captured. Get this thing off me! Ugh. Ugh.
Rise and shine. Knuckles. You are the last of your race and have sworn to protect the Master Emerald from harm. But if you are so intent on protecting it, then why'd you let it slip through your fingers so easily? A treasure hunter who can't protect his most valuable treasure. How sickening. Let's see if you value your pitiful life as little as you seem to value that gem. The belt you're wearing is loaded with explosives. Find the key before time runs out, or your body will match your temper. Live or die, make your choice.